This is your girl, sweet angel. You know I gotta bring you to 411. Listen up. There's something about my love drives my man crazy. Got him doing things, oh yeah, he's never done for any other lady. He takes me shopping, he pays all the bills. Got to name. I love the way he makes me feel. I got that good, good, oh, that he can't let it go. I got that good, good, I make him holler for more. I got that good, good, oh, it blows his mind. I got that good, good, see I'm one of a kind. Every time we're together, I keep him smiling. All the time when we're at home alone, just playing around, I can't help notice he's watching my behind. I know this man really loves me, 'cause he just won't let me be. I ain't gonna let nothing or no one take this good loving that he's given to me. I got that good, good, he can't let go. I got that good, good, I make him holler for more. I got that good, good, hey, it drives him crazy. I got that good, good, oh, I'm a hell of a lady. I got that good, good, he can't let go. I got that good, good, I make him holler for more. I got that good, good, hey, it drives him crazy. I got that good, good, oh, I'm a hell of a lady.
24 hours later.
What is up, y'all? What is up? I'm just sitting here in my little workout room and letting Royal run around. I just finished polishing my nails. Excuse the quality of this because I am on my computer, but I actually use this Madam Glam polish. It is in birthday cake. How befitting, because baby, it is Pisces season. Absolutely it is. But I just wanted to talk about this crazy weekend, y'all. It has been a doozy, and it is Sunday night right now. But honey, I have just been dealing with the craziest little things popping up. But the main thing today, y'all, I am sitting here because I have discovered, after I took off my polish, my gel polish, off of my toenails, that my toenail is lifting or something, and I'm really thinking it's gel polish. Now these are, you know, my lazy girl nails. I just use press-ons and I simply, you know, put gel on and cure that. But I have been sitting here, you know, I'm going back to some of my old remedies, and tea tree oil is what I'm going to use on my toenail. I will pop in a picture here in just a little bit and show y'all what it's looking like right now, and it's actually on both of my big toes. And so I'm just taking a break completely from gel nail polish because there is no way I'm going to be going around with my toes looking horrific under my nail polish. I'm just not going to do it. I'd rather just have plain toenails without the polish. And hopefully that's going to fix the problem. But honey, y'all, I tell you what, I've just struggled this weekend trying to stay woke is another thing. Because my granddaughter is a night owl. She's up. I mean, if she falls asleep, like right now, it's 11:45 p.m. If she falls asleep now, she's going to get up. Y'all, let me get this dog. Give me that dog. Turn the dog. This little dog is part of my problem here, part of my problem. But if I put her in bed to go to sleep right now, 11:45 or so, she will be up at 3 o'clock and she will stay woke until 7 o'clock in the morning. And with her being a toddler, of course, it's just too freaking dangerous. So I'm having to stay up, and it's crazy no matter what I've tried. So maybe y'all got some remedies, because y'all know my baby girl is 23 years old, so it's been a long time since I had a toddler running around, and I'm trying to figure it out right now. So that is got me why I'm still in my PJs right now. It's not just that I put them on. I've been in them all day because I went back to bed. I got up 8:30 or so. Let me get some work done before she wakes up. So she stayed asleep till 5 o'clock. I got back in the bed about 1:30, 2 o'clock, and I stayed asleep till about 5 something. And we got up and ate dinner. And now she's just been kind of running around the whole time. You would think she would be completely exhausted. She's not. She's not. She's happy. Say hi, Royal. Royal. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Anyway, she's doing her own thing, okay? But y'all, yesterday I almost got taken out. Good Lord. Let me tell you this. Our dogs, when it's cold, they come in the house. Well, we put them in the laundry room. I was doing laundry. I'm doing laundry, and girl, how about as I'm folding laundry, the German Shepherd, Cupcake, she's sitting there behind me, and Cookie is laying on the mat. All of a sudden, Cupcake gets up, and she looks at Cookie, and a whole fight breaks out while I'm right there in the midst. So these are not lightweight dogs. We have big dogs. These dogs are fighting, biting at each other's throat, y'all. And honestly speaking, they drew blood. They drew blood. And they did not stop until they were exhausted. I ended up going out the back door. Unfortunately, got locked out. Mike was standing there at the laundry room door because it's like a half door. So he's trying to holler at him, break him up, talk to him, whatever. And I come around to the front door trying to get in. I don't know what was going on with the Ring doorbell, but it wasn't saying anyone was at the door. The doorbell wasn't ringing. I'm freezing cold out there, okay? It was, I want to say, every bit of 30 something degrees outside. And I only had on my little workout gear and the little workout jacket, and I am freezing. Okay, I'm freezing. I'm like, gosh, this tells you should always have your phone with you. You should always have a key somewhere, which we do have a key, but because I just assumed I could just go around to the front and he was going to open the door, like, I'm stuck there. And these dogs are just fighting. And suddenly they got exhausted, and here they are with their faces bloody. Okay. Decided, okay, well, let's lick each other's wounds, okay? But because of the fact that they did that, there was no way we were going to let them stay in the house. In fact, we weren't going to just, forgive or forget, because we didn't know what kind of, what they had going on. I don't know what the argument was about. I really don't even know. But we had to leave them outside, and hopefully they had a better understanding. But it did warm up. But honey, I am so through. I'm back there trying to spray down everything because they were dragging blood all over the laundry room. It was crazy. I'm like, girl, was it a full moon last night or what? It was something in the air, but I don't even know why. I think more or less it's a territorial thing, and when either me or even it could be Maddie, if she's here, they act so crazy. Mike, when he's around, it's no problem. But me, when I come around, they seem like Cookie would want me to pet her and to spend some time with her. But you can't do that because Cupcake ain't going to permit it. She's not going to allow it. She's not going to have anything to do with it. No, you're not going to be, no, you're not going to be dealing with my mama. You're not going to. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this going on? So anyway, y'all, at the end of the day, that squared off, and it just made a crazy evening. Say hi. Hi, baby. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to try to get her put in bed, and because she's wild already. She's 19 months old and busy as ever. So we're gonna get her put to sleep. Not like that. We're gonna put her to sleep. Y'all know what I'm saying. She getting a changing and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I just had to tell y'all about this crazy weekend. And honey, wow. Let me carry on from there. So I will see y'all in the next one. Y'all take care, and we'll be talking. We'll be talking. Say bye-bye. 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 Where's your thumb? Wait. Say bye-bye. Get the thumb out of there. Now say bye-bye. Not happening. All right, we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.
Every tear